The turkey wings are ready. Now, all of them will not be going in the grease, but certain people are spoiled to certain things. Hey, Miss Gaiman. What did I do with my tongs? Why come here? I don't know what I did with my tongs. So I'm about to shout these in the grease for about 2 minutes. I know you heard me, Martin. I know you did. I mean, I'll leave it like this. And call it a day. Oh. Ain't no tongs in that sink? No. I just had tongs. Hold this. My pepper's ready for my hot sauce too. I'm gonna blend that shortly. So here we go. But again, let me show you how tender that is. Look at that. Oh. You want a leg? One, two, three, four, five. So we get the extra.
What's extra?
So drop another wing, or Marvin, you just greedy. Jay probably want his fried too, huh? That's right. Shock them in the grease. You'll get that crispy outside. All of that skin. Ooh, it'll be so nice and crispy. But I have to keep mine regular because I ain't about that life no more. Hey, Deborah. Hey, sister. Zena. How y'all doing? Almost ready. It doesn't take long because the turkey wings are cooked already. So you don't have to keep them in the grease that long. I'll keep mine baked. And I'll save the rest of my broth. I'm going to start selling this broth, y'all. Because this is some good stuff. The dressing is done. Cornbread dressing. And the turkey wings are done. Y'all see that? See that color? Just look and smell magnificent. Somebody say magnificent. Okay, let me show you. And that's my one little baked turkey wing. But I'm cool with that. You hear that? That's that crunchy outside. But you can squeeze it and see how tender it is on the inside. See that? That's a light squeeze. I'm really just poking it. The one on the top, the dark one. Here's the cornbread dressing. I think my screen dirty, excuse me. There we go. There we go. That's the cornbread dressing. Oh yeah. Check out what I got in the oven. Sweet potato souffle with jumbo marshmallows. Inbox me, Miss Gaming. I'll bring it to you. For anybody that wants any side dishes, I'll do your whole dinner for you. Anybody that wants anything, inbox me, and I will send you an invoice, and I will bring it to you for the holidays or just because. So I'm going to plate this up, you know, like I do. And I'm going to show y'all, let y'all see Marvin hurt himself again today. Dressing, mac and cheese. Now, he normally would have wanted mac and cheese with this, but we just had macaroni last night. I don't think that matters to Marvin. He would eat it again. Right, Marvin?
Yes.
Wow. He would. What's up, Frederica? Somebody get out of here. Do I cook every day? No, not every day. But I get it in. Hey, Kanika. So I'm going to plate this up, y'all. I'll be back. If you need it for Thanksgiving, sister, inbox me. And I'll do whatever you need me to do. I will post what days I will be, what day I will be in Columbia. Because it'll only be for one day. So I don't want to hear, I didn't tell you. I'm telling you well in advance. I come there at least every 3 weeks, 3 to 5 weeks to get my son's braces tightened. So I will be back soon. But I will be back the week of Thanksgiving. So inbox me your information. I'll send you an invoice and you can lock your order in. I already know I'm guaranteed to be booked because I'm filling up now. So, for more videos, y'all, please visit my YouTube channel, Eat Mo Cakes. I need your subscriptions. I need you to share, like, comment. Eat Mo Cakes on YouTube. Eat Mo Cakes on Facebook. Eat Mo Cakes on Instagram. And my website is www.eatmocakes.com.